How to sync contact on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how you can sync contacts on your WhatsApp. So let's get started. So on this process, firstly you will have to open the settings on your device. So simply open the settings, and now from here you will have to scroll down and find the options like accounts and backups. So simply tap on it, and now from here you will have to go with the options manage account, and now from here you will have to go with the options WhatsApp. So simply tap on the WhatsApp, and now from here you will got options to sync account. So simply tap on this option sync account, and here you got the options like contacts. So simply to sync the contact on WhatsApp you will have to turn on this feature. So simply you have to turn on this feature, so enable it. Okay, so it's syncing. Alright, so after you done this, you will be able to sync contacts on WhatsApp. So this is the easiest and simplest method to sync your contact on WhatsApp. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.